So if you're already working with OpenCloud, you needed to watch this video. And if this is your first time wanting to use OpenCloud, I think you're in luck because I'm going to share with you my method for using OpenCloud without actually paying for cloud. So, you know that if I simply go to my cloud console, I'll show you that here, in fact, I pay a lot of money just to run cloud. Practically every month, there's a usage of about $1,000, between $800 and $1,000. Why? Because the Cloud API is actually very resource intensive and OpenCloud can't run without an LLM. That means we actually need to install an LLM, a model that acts like the brain, so that OpenCloud can reason, search, analyze, and of course make decisions. So today, with a simple installation of this new model called Kimi, this one actually saved me from having to pay for cloud. And so for the past 2 weeks now, I've been working only with Kimi. And I thought, hey, it would be really interesting to share this with the community, to show them my trick, how I managed to install Kimi. And don't forget that Kimi has already proven itself today. This is the benchmark comparing Kimi with OpenAI, with Cloud, with Gemini, and it has outperformed them on every level. And that's really, really interesting. So, watch until the end of the video. I'll show you step by step how I set things up to launch OpenCloud on a VPS, and of course, with an LLM from my local host, all secure, with an ultra-fast, ultra-powerful system, and without having to pay a fortune to cloud. So if this is your first time connecting or watching my video, well, this is my YouTube channel. Every day I share new videos and tutorials that simply help beginners learn about artificial intelligence and, above all, discover the world of automation. So subscribe to support the creation of these videos, and let's get started right away with setting up our OpenCloud server. But before we begin, let's actually look at the difference. Here I have a standard OpenCloud server, and when I log into this server, you'll see that the model being used is indeed cloud. And that's where, of course, I pay for my API. On the other hand, if I look here, I haven't installed the OpenCloud server directly. I first installed Ollama, and it's inside Ollama that I actually found OpenCloud. That's the technique that allowed me to access the models from Ollama. So how did I do it? Well, it's very simple. Here, I'm on the Ollama website. Ollama, for those who don't know, is a platform that offers a wide range of LLM models. Some of them are free, others are paid, but it's a very, very powerful platform. And especially here, as you can see, it was just announced that it actually integrates OpenCloud automatically into its system. And that's actually what interests me. With a simple command, I can install Ollama with OpenCloud installed as well. And especially when I click here on the model, you'll see that this model was launched just 2 weeks ago and already has more than 200,000 installations. That's huge. And that's where I actually find Kimi. So Kimi is 100% compatible with OpenCloud, as you can see here. And we've already seen that Kimi has proven itself today by comparing favorably in various benchmarks against other models. So really, it's a very solid system. But what's very interesting here, if I look, is that it's in cloud mode. What does it mean to be in cloud mode? It means that here I don't actually have to install Kimi on my computer, because that would require an ultra powerful machine. It would use up a lot of memory and it would take a long time. On the other hand, when I use the cloud model, it allows me to have Kimi online on Ollama servers, but I can use it however I want, and that's what's really powerful. This means I have the ability to use it in an unlimited way without actually needing an API. That's it. So no cloud APIs, especially since it's an ultra powerful system that can really help me work with OpenCloud. So for that, the first thing to do is actually to go and install the Docker server. So on Hostinger, why the Docker server? Because on this Docker server, I can install Ollama and I can install OpenCloud. I can't just limit myself to installing only OpenCloud. So the server, it's simple. You come here and there you go. It offers you several packages. The one I generally choose is the KVM2 because it has 8 GB of RAM, 2 processors, it's ultra powerful. I take the server and then I can simply place the order. But be careful, there's actually a small discount coupon that was put on Hostinger's official website, so you should take advantage of this discount. But before applying the coupon, make sure to log out here first, because it's actually a coupon given by Hostinger for everyone creating their first server or first account with Hostinger. So as a tip, I liked that. I log out and I create it with a new email address. I don't use the email address from my previous Hostinger servers. So the code actually is go docker. There you go, you write it in uppercase like this. As soon as I apply it, you'll see that it actually gives me a 10% discount. Very interesting. I can get it for 2 months, or rather 24 months, which means 2 years. And of course, there's a 30-day satisfaction or money-back guarantee. And that's what I love about Hostinga. You can really work on the server and you have 30 days free to cancel and get a full refund immediately. So here, just choose the word Docker, that's all. Don't do anything else, don't select or look for OpenCloud here. Just leave Docker and click Continue to actually confirm the order. Once I've confirmed the order, you'll be taken directly to Hostinga. And as you can see here, there's Ollama. Well, I just added Ollama because I clicked here. I clicked on one-click deployment, and you'll see that you just have to type the word Ollama, and there it is. You just click on select and then on deploy. This will provide you with a straightforward way to get Ollama successfully set up and installed directly on your server. And then Ollama is actually the model that, on its official website, in order for me to install Kimi, I first had to install OpenCloud. You'll see it's just a simple command. And what I wanted to do, so that the video wouldn't be too slow or too long, is I simply put together a little documentation here, which I'll actually include in the description of this video. You'll just need to go to my website, enter your email address, and you'll receive this documentation by email. So within this comprehensive documentation, you will see that I have included a detailed PDF guide where I actually show you all of the necessary steps that you need to follow in order to successfully install OpenCloud on Ollama. I've really included all the commands that you just need to copy and paste, and on top of that I've also provided a short video here. There you go, you just need to click here on play. It's a YouTube video that shows you how I was able to install OpenCloud on Ollama. Very detailed, well done, step by step. So this will effectively and straightforwardly result in having the Ollama software successfully installed right here on your system. And from this Ollama, I actually have OpenCloud installed. Look at OpenCloud, I'm launching it from my computer. So it's installed somewhere on the Ollama VPS server, but from my machine, from my local computer, I control it and connect to it. And it's really a very powerful system. Its status is okay. And in the chat, I can of course start all the chat conversations with this system, which will actually be simultaneous chat sessions and discussion systems on my OpenCloud. And this actually allows you to work with OpenCloud using a Kimi system that is very powerful without having to pay for the cloud. So that's today's video. I wanted to show you step by step how to do it in a simple and clear way, with course support and also some information. If you want to install OpenCloud, install it this way to actually avoid paying for the APIs. Now there's also a very important piece of information that I needed to mention. Here actually with Ollama, you will obviously be required to have a pro account. Why? Because here in terms of pricing, let me show you, the free mode actually gives you access to several models. So you'll have, there you go, several models that you can install. Look here, we can run the models on our computer, so on our laptop. But if I actually use the free version, I can't use the cloud models. That means like Kimi, which is an LLM model that is very powerful, but it's in cloud mode because it will be run on Ollama's server. And that's what I want. I don't want to run it on my machine because I'm going to, use up, RAM and processor. So Ollama will give me Kimi, and this Kimi will also be run on the cloud on a remote server. So as a result, I actually take the plan that's only $20 per month. This one actually gives me the ability to run 3 cloud models. I'm only going to use one, which is Kimi, so that's very interesting. I'll have access to this model, which is extremely, extremely powerful. Don't forget that right now it's the top ranked one. So I pay $20 instead of paying for APIs, which are actually way too expensive. And of course, that's not very cost effective. So just before we finish, you'll have OpenCloud with Kimi 2.6 installed. So write to me in the comments if you have any ideas, use cases or scenarios that you'd like us to try with OpenCloud. I would actually be very happy to organize a live session where we can test OpenCloud together and run some executions as a group. So if many of you request a live session in the comments and there are quite a few interesting ideas, I would be very happy to organize this live event to meet you online on YouTube.